Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted photos on your Samsung phone. So if you moved it to the trash within the last 30 days or something like that, you can easily just recover this. So just swipe up, go to search and type in files or my files. So you can go to files or my files depending on what you have on your phone. They're going to be very similar. You can download files right here, this application. It's called Files by Google on the Google Play Store. But on Samsung, you get My Files for some reason. Now, under Utilities, we can go to Trash. So this is everything in the trash can. 30 days, this is going to get deleted. So it looks like I have this in here from January 16th. I have 29 days until that's deleted, whatever it is. So I can just choose it, and I can restore it down here at the bottom. So you may encounter something where you accidentally delete something. Well, you can get it back right there. Now there is some photography recovery apps in the Google Play Store. They may be able to discover your items that you deleted, may not. So we can just do photo recovery and open this up. And some of these work and some of them don't work very well. So I've tried a few of these. I've tried Disk Digger on the PC, that worked well. You know, it has a really poor rating right here. We can go to Photo Recovery, 5 million. This one to restore my old deleted photos. 10 million, 4.1. So just try some of these out and see if they help. Most of the time I think you do have to like root them or something like that to get the best results. So this one is saying extremely simple to use, but go ahead and try them out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.